Ever wondered how those fluffy white balls in your t-shirt are grown and harvested on an industrial scale? Australia is home to some of the biggest and most advanced cotton farms on Earth, where mega machines work day and night. But how do they achieve such incredible scale while producing some of the world's best cotton? Welcome to the Fields of Innovation YouTube channel. Smart farming starts here. Discover the future of agriculture, where we share information about technology applied in agriculture. Australia is globally renowned for producing some of the planet's cleanest, strongest, and highest quality cotton. While its total production volume is smaller than giants like the United States or India, Australian cotton carves out a premium niche. It's the exceptional fiber length, remarkable uniformity, and adherence to strict quality standards that allow it to command top prices in international markets. The secret to Australia's cotton excellence lies in a unique combination of factors. First, the climate provides long, hot summers with dry air, which is perfect for helping the cotton bolls open cleanly and naturally reduces the risk of disease. Second, the deep, fertile alluvial soils found in the country's major river basins support robust root systems, leading to higher yields. Finally, the sheer scale of the farms, often spanning thousands of acres, allows for the use of advanced mechanization, creating efficient workflows and enabling a massive output. This powerful trio gives Australia some of the highest cotton yields per acre anywhere in the world. Over 90% of Australia's cotton production is concentrated in just two states, New South Wales and Queensland. New South Wales predominantly focuses on irrigated cotton cultivated along the vital Murray-Darling Basin. Meanwhile, Queensland contributes with both irrigated and dryland cotton, grown across its vast interior plains. Key regions like Narrabri, Maree, Gunnedah, St. George, Goondiwindi, and the Darling Downs represent the heartland of this industry, showcasing landscapes dominated by endless fields of white. Cotton is a heat-loving crop, and Australia's abundant sunshine provides the perfect growing conditions. However, the continent's low average rainfall means that farming is heavily dependent on sophisticated water management. Farmers rely on a network of dams, rivers, groundwater, and innovative rainfall capture systems. This necessity has driven Australia to become a world leader in water use efficiency, governed by some of the strictest irrigation regulations globally. The life cycle of cotton begins in the spring when the soil temperature is just right for planting. From the very start, irrigation is meticulously managed to encourage deep root development. As the plants grow and enter the flowering stage, the precision continues. Farmers must maintain a perfect balance of nutrients and moisture to maximize the number of bolls that form and ensure the highest possible fiber quality. To protect the crop, Australian farmers employ integrated pest management, a strategy that combines the use of beneficial insects, genetically improved cotton varieties resistant to pests, and the minimal application of pesticides. This sustainable approach is supported by modern technology. Drone mapping, thermal cameras, and traditional on-the-ground scouting allow for the early detection of any pest infestations or nutrient deficiencies. Modern cotton farms are data-driven operations. Soil moisture probes provide real-time information on hydration levels, allowing for precise irrigation. Satellite imagery is used to assess the health of the crop canopy across vast areas, identifying stress points invisible to the naked eye. Advanced climate models help farmers predict weather patterns and make informed decisions. This reliance on data helps optimize water and fertilizer use, reduce waste, and ultimately, increase productivity. Harvest season begins when the cotton bolls have fully opened, revealing the fluffy fiber inside. Before the machines roll in, the crop is typically defoliated, a process that removes the leaves to ensure a cleaner harvest and reduce the risk of contamination. Once the plants have dried, the fields are ready. The cotton picking process is a spectacle of modern engineering. Massive cotton pickers, often from brands like John Deere and Case IH, move through the fields, methodically stripping the fiber from the bolls, row by row. As the cotton is collected, it travels through the machine's internal system, where it is compressed into large, dense modules. These modules are then dropped along the edge of the field, ready for the next stage of logistics. On these massive Australian farms, in-field logistics are a complex, coordinated effort. Multiple machines, module handlers, and transport vehicles often work simultaneously across thousands of acres. Sophisticated communication systems are essential to avoid bottlenecks and keep the operation running smoothly. It's not uncommon for teams to work around the clock, day and night, to get the harvest in before any potential weather changes can impact the crop. These advanced John Deere and Case IH cotton pickers are technological marvels. They not only collect the cotton with incredible efficiency, but also build the modules on the go, a feature that has revolutionized the harvesting process by reducing labor demands and dramatically increasing speed. To ensure precision, the pickers are equipped with GPS and autonomous steering technology. These satellite-guided systems keep the machines perfectly aligned with the crop rows, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. Some of the latest models even offer semi-autonomous operation, which further improves accuracy and reduces operator fatigue during long shifts. Inside the picker, the loose cotton is powerfully compressed into either round or rectangular modules. These dense, weather-resistant giants can weigh up to 2.5 tons each. This on-the-go packaging is crucial for protecting the fiber's quality while it waits for transport from the field. Once the modules are ready, specialized trucks arrive to carry them to the nearby ginning facilities. This constant flow, from field to gin, is what allows the machinery to operate continuously during the peak of the harvest season. At the cotton gin, the transformation from raw fiber to a market-ready product begins. The modules are broken apart, and the cotton is fed through a series of machines that clean and dry it. Then, it passes through gin stands, where specialized saws and brushes separate the valuable fibers from the seeds. These seeds are a valuable byproduct, often used for livestock feed or oil production, with the best ones being saved for the next planting season. Before the cotton is packaged, it undergoes rigorous quality testing. Technicians analyze samples from each batch, measuring critical properties like fiber length, strength, color, and fineness. These precise measurements determine the grade and, consequently, the value of each bale on the global market. Finally, the processed cotton is pressed into standardized, dense bales, each labeled with a unique barcode for traceability. These bales are then loaded into shipping containers, ready for their journey to spinning mills across the world. Given Australia's arid climate, water management is one of the most critical and challenging aspects of cotton farming. To conserve this precious resource, farmers have adopted highly efficient irrigation methods. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the plant's roots, minimizing evaporation. Flood irrigation, an older method, has been optimized through precision laser leveling of the fields to ensure even water distribution. Automated pumps and sensors regulate water flow with incredible accuracy. Water scarcity has also led to a heavily regulated system. Farmers must purchase water rights and comply with strict usage rules, which often force them to adjust their planting areas, especially during periods of drought. In response to these challenges, the industry is increasingly focused on sustainable solutions. Growers practice crop rotation, alternating cotton with crops like wheat or chickpeas to improve soil health and break pest cycles. Many are also adopting regenerative practices, such as cover cropping and reduced tillage, to enhance biodiversity and build long-term soil resilience. The cotton industry is a significant contributor to Australia's economy. It stands as one of the country's most valuable rural industries, supporting thousands of jobs in regional communities and generating billions of dollars in export revenue. The vast majority of Australian cotton is exported to international markets. While China has historically been a major buyer, textile mills in the United States, Vietnam, Indonesia, and other Southeast Asian nations are also key destinations for this premium fiber. However, the industry is not without its risks. Cotton prices are notoriously volatile, influenced by global supply and demand, unpredictable climate events, and shifting trade policies. To manage this financial uncertainty, farmers often rely on sophisticated strategies like hedging and securing long-term contracts. Looking ahead, the future of Australian cotton is set to be even more technologically advanced. Automation and robotics will play an increasingly central role, with autonomous harvesters, robotic field monitors, and fully automated irrigation systems on the horizon. Artificial intelligence is already being used to develop prediction models that help growers forecast yields, schedule irrigation with pinpoint accuracy, detect pests earlier than ever, and identify the optimal window for harvesting. There is also a growing movement toward zero waste and regenerative farming. The Australian cotton industry is actively pushing towards a circular agricultural model, where byproducts are reused, emissions are minimized, and farming practices actively rebuild soil carbon. These initiatives are not just about sustainability. They are about enhancing the long-term resilience and profitability of the industry. From its vast, sun-drenched fields to its state-of-the-art gins, Australia's cotton industry is a remarkable fusion of massive operational scale, world-class technology, and a deep-seated commitment to sustainability. These innovations have firmly established it as a global leader in the production of premium cotton, setting a benchmark for modern agriculture worldwide. What are your thoughts on the future of farming? Do you have any questions about Australia's cotton industry? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more documentaries on farming, technology, and industry.